Hi, I'm Miss Smith from Liberty High School. I am here to go over the notes for lesson 2.3. How many hours a week do you work? So go ahead and find that in your notes. And then it says, how many hours a week do seniors in Texas work during the school year? We will use this class as a sample of all students in Texas. So just like your other teachers, I pulled 30 random samples from that data list of over 500. And I did the work up front. I sorted it, and then I made a cute little table here for you. So you can pause the video and copy down those data points. Okay, hello there. Welcome back. So the easiest way I found to make a dot plot is to come over here to shapes, drawing. Nope, nope, nope. I need to move my face out of the way. Okay. That's the eraser. Shapes. Found it. Do a line. I'm going to draw the line over here. Try to make it as straight as possible. Boom. Okay. And then I grab a text box. And then I'm going to come down here. And if you look at the data, you go from 0 to 40. So I'm going to do my line by 0. So 0 by 5s, I'm sorry. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that's just enough. And then in order to get the dots, I've used this one. So drawing, I change it to a 4-stroke thickness, and then we'll choose a fun color. We'll go with green. So when I look at this table, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 zeros. So that's 13 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then the next data point is 7, so that's somewhere between 5 and 7, so 1 dot. 1 dot at 10, 1 dot at 12, 1 dot at 15, 1 at 20, 1 at 21, 1 at 25, 2 at 25 actually, 1 at 27, 1 at 28, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 30, and then 1 at 40. Good Lord, you got a full-time job, whoever this is, doing 40 hours a week. My goodness. Okay, so number 2, in the calculator, go to 1var stats, record the mean and median. So if you have a physical calculator or the software, over here now is the window where I'm going to show you where to put data in. So make sure the calculator is on, and then you come over here to stat, and then number 1 for edit. L1 is where you will put all of the data. So how many zeros did I say again? I think I said 13. So 13 zeros. So 0 and then enter 13 times. 1. And I know I'm doing 13 because if you look up here, it says L1. This means row 9. So I'm going to keep going until it gets to 13. And then I have 1, 7, and then a 10, a 12, a 15, a 20, 21, 25, 25, 27, 2 28s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 40. So I have 30 data points. Once you have all of your data in, to get to one variable stats, you go stat, arrow to the right for calculate, and then option 1 in the menu. And then leave this as default. You could hit enter, enter, enter. And now let's talk about what's on the screen. So you're looking for your mean. This is a sample, so X bar is your mean, 13.6. So for our average, the average number of hours a student works is 13.6 hours. So let me add a text box. I keep hitting pause for some reason because am I recording? I sure do hope so. Go away, little menu. How do I make that go away? Oh, now another menu open. Oh, work with me, work with me. No, I don't want to restart. I just need that menu to go away. Okay, now it went away. There we go, text box. Oh, did I get it in time? Text box, no. I don't know how to move this button, y'all. It's really bothering me. Dang it, I'm just gonna try to write it. Okay, 13.6. We'll do it like this. Oh, that's a hot mess. Oh, my Lord. And then the median. To get to that, go back to the calculator and do the down arrow. And MED, that's your median, 11. So the calculator will automatically calculate it for you. Now, what happens if you don't have a calculator? What could you do? Well, over here, I've put a link to a Desmos page that will help you. In order to use this, let's go to this link now, have it open. So right here it says put the values here with a comma in between. Now you can physically come back in and type all 30 numbers with a comma in between, but if you happen to have your data in a spreadsheet, you can come and collect the numbers. So I'm going to copy all of the numbers in this column. These are the 30 numbers that I gave you. And I'm going to do a Command C for copy. And I'm going to come back over here to Desmos, and hopefully this will work. So I'm going to highlight the put values here with a comma, and then I'm going to paste the data there and hit enter. Did it work? It did not work. Let's see. Let's see what happened. I think when I okay, yeah. So it copied into its own little thing, so I probably should have highlighted the brackets as well. So I'm just going to erase the brackets. There we go. Okay, so now Desmos automatically put the commas there for you. And if you look down here, here's the mean, 13.6. Here is the median, 11. Okay, now let's go back to here. Now show the mathematical work or explain how to get the mean and the median. So if I can get a text box, dang nabbit, resume. Y'all pray for me. Pray for Miss Smith at Liberty. I'm going to figure this out. I'm not about to fight with this text box, so I'm just going to explain it to you. So you already know how to find the mean mathematically. You add all of the numbers up and then divide it by how many samples you have. The median, what you have to do is put the numbers in order from smallest to greatest and then find the physical number that's in the middle of the list. If your list happens to be if there are two middle numbers, you want to take those two middle numbers and find the average, and that would be your median. And so if you look at it right here, 11 is not in our list, but 11 is the average between 10 and 12. Okay? Finally, we forgot to add Mrs. Courtney's data to the data set. She works 65 hours per week. Add her value and see how the mean and median change. All right, so the quickest way here, let's just do the calculator. Go back to Stat, Edit, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom and add 65 to this list of values. I went too fast, obviously. Great. Slow down, please, Miss Smith. All right, 30, 30, 30. There we go. So I'm going to type in 65. And now I will go to Stat, arrow over to Calc, enter for one variable, enter, enter, enter. And now our new mean is 15.3. So 15.3. Oh, Oh boy, that is a hot mess. Then scroll down to get the median, and the new median is 12. Oh, look, I skipped number 3. Let's go back and get that. So that's how the median and the mean change. So now let's go back up here to number 3. Which is larger, the mean or the median? And what is the shape of the distribution? So as we see, the mean is higher at 13.6. And what is the shape of the distribution? So if I look at this, this is kind of like I would say the tail is to the right, so it'd be skewed right. So majority of the students, you guys, are not working any hours a week. Although 40 is out here by itself, I wouldn't necessarily call it an outlier. I would just say that person just has to work a lot as a high school student. So for whatever reason that may be. All right, I apologize for this hot mess video. When you see me again, I will have mastered Kami and Loom. But other than that, have a great day.